A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Miss Manipur 2019, where extraordinary is created.
Ahanmamaktada State Level Miss Manipur Committee gi meeting makhada Sonia amadi Helena Kudol tamzaba aduga lamjingba group na Tom amadi lamjingba cap yauna exclusively powered tawba sugunba ngasige thauram Miss Manipur 2019 yengba lengbirakliba punwa pu ahamamaktada taram nokchari thauram asibu TV da miyeng tabiru punwa su
Yes, Miss Manipur 2019 is exclusively powered by Lamjingba Group, Dom TV, and Lamjingba Cab Service. Yes, tonight we will get to witness 16 of the most beautiful contestants from different districts of Manipur coming together, presenting their very best as they vie for the coveted crown of Miss Manipur 2019.
Yamna top makal gedugumba Miss Manipur ki changdam na bama kumsi chei si oigadauri habisin tang mangjorona thamjabani maramdi mamang da mukta oikide mamong da handaki sigumba changdam na basdi Manipur gi leiriba kachin koya khuding maktagi purup khuding maktagi lakpa dugumba sakhen bi singna saruk yaba Miss Manipur 2019 oigadauri habisi thamjabada harawa pokchei habisin tang thamjabani.
Yes, without any further delay, to mark the auspicious beginning of the event, we will now have a candle lighting ceremony.
Thauramasi mai pakpa soida ngamdaba tektakaidaba ohenbiu haidana mapugi kuya khada changjeduna thauni jabagi tanja lokjaba adumakni koina laksaribasi maira chukhatbagi sigulaba thauramasi saru yabigedaba sing marwaina state level Miss Manipur committee gi advisors sing mangna lengsin BDB Ima Singh Mingwena in Panjarabada Amkilgi President Ima Sakhi Poire Leimarolgi President Ima Memchobi Aduga Kangla Maigi President Ima Lerik Leima Kadaida Kari Swaki Gadage Kari Palm the Batodo Toki Gadage Haidana Chetna now Konduna Miss Manipur Sisin Bada Miyeng Tambiduna Soibangam Bayau the number of Henbinaba Lamzing Lam Tak Pira Ima Abumbu Kaikuna Buchabagaloina Stage Sakta Maira Chukati Saru Yabina and Bahadana Hangacharima.
I would also like to welcome Heli Laitangbam, the director of Miss Manipur organization. May I also invite on the stage Sonia Farambam. May I also have the privilege to invite on stage Leima Pokpam Malim Nganba Meite, director Lamjingba Group, Mutum Byron Singh, director Lamjingba Group, and Christina Akoism, HR Lamjingba Group.
Yai Paraba Koro Ngasi January gi Taraga Nipan Sigulaba Mapama Stasta Pangtok Sagadoriba Heli Amadi Soniana Kudol Tamzabaduga State Level Miss Manipur Committee gi meeting Makada Lamjingba Group Tom TV Aduga Lamjingba Capna exclusively powered Tobiraga Pangtok Sabasugumba Miss Manipur 2019 Soivangam Daba Dugumba Mai Pakpa Mapung Pahaba Pageant Ama Oibu Oiresinu Haibagi Tauni Zabagi Tanza Laminabani
2019 ki Miss Manipur ni koi nasi tawzari se adu gujina 2020 ni so why have put say ka haitar adum hek first day dagi guji potum hangi haitar anu sigi matang da wafam kitang thamjaninge adu de koi gi Manipur khadagi na te issue je sa issue chawma lagi matang da hai chubatai adu da koi gi adu gi issue ni maram or friction me am thoi adu friction self to na koi advance da kitang effect to haitar adu na koi right time right place adagi right dates kitang ngai da kitang thaidrok tana 2020 se tagi bani hariba issue and problems am do mayam khangmirang bini thasai aduda koi nam khana jai 2019 skip tawra draina tawroi si kaigino da koi gap le heloi si January gi first week of second week te pukhalaga su gap te heloi sin khanai doin tawdana 2019 ki Miss Manipur se 2020 da kucharak pani.
Now I'd like to take this moment to felicitate the exclusive sponsors of Miss Manipur 2019. May I invite on stage Laima Pokpam Malim Nganba Meitei, Director Lamzingba Group, Mutum Byron Singh, Director Lamzingba Group, and Krishna Akoizam HR Lamzingba Group.
Sponsors, should I say, Kwegi Tauramasi Pangthokpada Chauna Ateng Pangbirkba, the Tauramasibu exclusively powered the Birba Lamjingba Group. Lamjingba Group ki Miut Singda, Sinza Langziriba, Singi Maike Degi, Tawimal Kangu Chabuina, Chamakudolpot, Kutsina Dunaikai Kunabo Chabani.
Yes, everyone, a huge round of applause for our main sponsors tonight. May I now have the privilege to invite on the stage and to take their seats our esteemed panel of judges for Miss Manipur 2019. Our judges will have a very tough time deciding who the deserving candidate will be, because I've seen all the 16 contestants and each of them are equally competitive.
Exactly.
Yes, so to do the judging, may I first invite on the stage Dr. Mayanglambam Sangita. Yes, Dr. Mayanglambam Sangita is a professional in healthcare and is presently engaged in growing young budding doctors in Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal. She is MD Physiology, presently with capacity of assistant professor in the Department of Physiology. She had worked with Manipur AIDS Control Society and was also associated with Kripa Foundation, and she is a mother of two. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome on the stage our first esteemed panel of judges for tonight, Dr. Mayanglambam Sangita.
Ngasigi Sulaba Miss Manipur 2019 second B Changdam Naba Srista Jury when a Lengsin Bigidaba Yamna Choba Dugumba Yanam Arweba Todani Lobigadoriba Jury Sing Sina Anisuguina Asigi Sulaba page in the Sigi Jury. She is a national champion archer, model, actor, and entrepreneur from Manipur. After modeling in New York, she moved to Mumbai to pursue her career in acting. She has been a part of blockbusters film like Mary Kom, as well as critically acclaimed films like Umrika. Her film Axon, where she plays the lead, was well received in international release at BFI, followed by a great reception at Mummy, and is currently doing the rounds in the film festival circuit in India. I guess you people know her very well. Can you guess the name? Yeah, Lynn Lystrom. Please welcome our next jury, Lynn Lystrom. Beautiful, gorgeous Lynn Lystrom is with us as a jury.
Next we have Ningnathim Baite. She is a detail-oriented dressmaker, adapted working on the design of a variety of clothing pieces ranging from lingerie to gowns. Her work experience includes a self-run boutique in Delhi for 4 years and in Imphal for 2 years. Her profession is a dressmaker, Sartoria Professional, and her brand is called Humheng. And she finished her education from Istituto di Moda Borgo, Milan, Italy. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Ningnetim Baite, our next jury member for tonight on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, next jury. Silex is a fashion label based in Impal. Silex Ngairangam is an alumnus of Thomas Academy Milan and NIFT India. He has gained experience working with reputed European labels. He launched his label in 2008. Prestigious Lake Me Fashion Week and has been showcasing ever since. His clothes have been adorned by Bollywood celebrities. He is currently working with the handloom and handicraft of Manipur and also is designing for the mother label Ning TV collection. Ladies and gentlemen, one and only Silex Ngairangam.
Yes, our final jury for tonight. She is a legend in the field of Manipur fashion industry, an inspiration to many, loved and admired by people of all genres. She's a fashionista by birth and hence being proved time and again, beauty with brains goes a long way. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Manipur 1993, Miss Northeast Perfect 10 1995, the first in Northeast India to win the Gladrex Mrs. India 2004. She is none other than Mrs. Suchita Arambam. Yes, everyone a huge round of applause for her.
Jury Singi Matangda Kwegi Yaman Nuksijaba, well wisher, well supporter, Haina Tamzage. Additional SP Narcotics and Affairs, Government of Manipur Gi Tanglozam Brinda Mutang stays at the link at Pirakani. Okay, the stage is all set now. We have the jury, we have the contestant backstage getting ready to get out here and then show their talent. What's next?
Yes, now tonight we will get to witness two rounds, which is the traditional round sponsored by Wangkefi Mantri Handloom. Then we will have the evening gown round, which is Cinderella theme by Arvind Tonjam. And before we move forward, we will have an opening song, Hingmin Nasi Ekoi, by the Miss Manipur contestants.
Changdam Nabasi, second be Changdam Nabakatana Chedi, have a wakalunduni. Lamdam Sre Laiminariba, Purupum Namak, Amata Oina, Nuksi Chananaba, Dugumpagi, Pidama Taba Yanabagi Dugum Wakalondasu, Pangtuk Jabadugumba, Miss Manipurgi, Dugum Pagent Ni Haiba Wakalon Sitam Zeraga, Saru Yagada Rubi, second be Sing Sina, Yamna Kwegi, Wahan Tok Laiba, Aduga. Lakataba tungi surul kaya nasu ningsing duna laihoragadum ba isaini hingmin na si Ekoi hairibaskumba ningtirabi sayesi group oina lanthupigadabani.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the opening song Hingmin Nasi Ekoi by Miss Manipur contestants.
Sarita
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, now let's welcome on the stage one of the most dynamic duo, Gyanan and Christina, for a special performance. Their dance form is urban contemporary, choreographed by Gyanan. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome Christina and Gyanan on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, after that wonderful performance, of course, going to Lantuk traditional round ahan bagi round aduni wangkai phi mantri ge dugumba collections, especially habatare koi contestants singsna set charaga kudol tamjagada badugumba traditional round ne.
Yes, everyone, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We will now get to witness 16 of the most beautiful contestants in their traditional wear by Wangkaipi Mantri Handloom.
Hairiba round asimakda contestants sing asina second be sing asina masa saktak jagani have an introduction tawbigadabani aduna jury sing asumudum tang not tawbigani. Definitely yes, these beautiful ladies are going to try to impress the jury there. Definitely.
Yes, like we said, we've seen the contestants. I'm sure the judges will have a very hard time deciding, and I'm sure the audience as well will love the contestants extremely the same.
Not give Pizolda, Kadai Poba Mahaki, Dugumba, Ningtiba, Pazava, Utopangam Kadai Poba Masana Masabut Hazava confident, Oige Habituni Pangadori.
Without any further delay, we shall move on to the first round of Miss Manipur 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the traditional round by Wangkaipi Mantri Handloom.
gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 1, Sanasam Yang Chanu.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, but the real beauty is inside a person. Our good character and good deeds makes us beautiful and attractive. A very good evening to all beautiful people present here. I am Sanasham Yang Janu from Thawal Sabaltongba, 17 years of age, currently pursuing BSc First Semester at DM College of Science. I love singing and dancing, and I inspire to become a professional model because I want to contribute something to our society by showcasing our rich culture and tradition through modeling. And let's put our handloom first.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Okram Seetal, contestant number 2.
A very good evening, respected jury members, and to everyone present here tonight. Myself, Okram Seetal from Singzamai, Thongam Laikai. Right now, I'm a student of District Institution of Education and Training, DM College, Impal West. I stand here tonight following my dreams, embracing my feminine power, and loving myself more. Everyone, I shout out for love and unity. Let's love, respect one another, embrace ourselves towards a future of growth and development of our state, Manipur, our beautiful homeland, where it is full of humanity, goodwill, and togetherness. Last but not the least, life is such a beautiful journey. And believe me, beautiful people live here like you and I. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a blessed evening.
Presenting next, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 3, A.R. Mathings.
Good evening to all of you present here tonight. It's an honor to share this evening where we have all gathered here to celebrate women's femininity. I am A.R. Mathing, your contestant number 3. I'm 24 years young. I'm a proud Tangkhul lady who loves to keep up with the modern society without forgetting her origin and culture. My hobby is to keep myself busy by doing things that I love to do. I cannot stay idle. My parents have always treated me and my siblings equally, which is why me and my sisters have never felt short or weak being a woman. I can say proudly that I am a strong woman. I'm a feminist who believes in humanity. I'm not an extremist. I believe we are all born with a purpose in life, and as we grow, we find out what that purpose is. I'm fortunate to have found my purpose early, that is to uplift women in our society. If I could make a smallest change in our society, it would be my biggest achievement. And I'm hoping that Miss Manipur 2019 would actually give me the platform to make a difference. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.
Welcome Maria Charu Pangambum, contestant number 4.
We, as an indigenous group, should empower us women by balancing both our social and traditional barriers. Hello everyone, good evening ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maria Chanu Pangambang from Kongbakhetri Lekai, representing not only the Meitei community, but unity in diversity, a Manipuri woman. I am a student of biochemistry. I love singing and writing and express myself the best through it. I aspire to create my own unique identity in the society. Growing up in a socialized background, I bind the quality of discipline, responsibility, integrity, and unity. As a part of Miss Manipur 2019, following my passion, today I am here to advocate creatively for the cause of unity and environment through cultural understanding and community understanding, because I believe that together as a community, our micro efforts will have a macro effects for the development of our sports, art and culture in particular, and our state at large. Lastly, as long as we have each other, as long as we join hands together, there will be still hope. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number Marlin Ningwan Ching.
Life is royal when passions and satisfactions go hands in hand. Success comes to those who dare to work hard and believe in the Almighty God. To remark that success, a warm good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and of course to our honorables to remember. I myself, Marlene Monching from 1st MR Imphal, currently pursuing the second semester at Manipur College. I aspire to become a social worker who gives inspiration to others, especially the youth who is the future. And it is my belief that we all have a reason for being where we are, a purpose of who we are. And a purpose for me comes from serving other people with optimizations and confidence. So, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead, have confidence, be always optimistic, and go chase after your dreams, just like I do today. Thank you!
Please welcome contestant number 6, Sing Sing Panmei.
Strength does not come from winning alone. Your struggles develops your strength. When you go through hardships and decide not to give up, that is strength. And that is how I am here tonight. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sing Sing Panmei of Rongmei tribe from Tamenglong district, Manipur. I am a graduate from Delhi University. Currently, I am pursuing my career in acting. My personality includes the taste of being cheerful, compassionate, kind, and loving. My interests are acting, singing, writing, and traveling. And I aspire to become a social worker because working for people and being the reason for someone's smile has always been an enormous source of joy to me. And I stand here in this beautiful platform representing humanity, believing that I can be the voice of many unheard voices. And if I win this crown of Miss Manipur tonight, it will be a great opportunity for me to pave my journey towards doing what I would do for the love of our people and our community as a whole. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting next is Aluliu Daimai, contestant number 7.
Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident, says our former President, APJ Abdul Kalam. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aluliu Daimai from Chingmeirong. I am in my final year pursuing LLB from LMS Law College, Imphal. I grew up in a very supportive family, which is why I aspire to be a civil servant. In my spare time, I love reading novels and listening to music. I am a girl who believes that the potential we have can only be unleashed by ourselves. So dear friends, give wings to your dreams. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Make some noise for Moirangtame Sabrina, contestant number 8.
If you have a dream, fulfill it. Let nothing, no one stops you from achieving your dreams. And here I am, following my dreams. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to our lovely judges. I am Moirangtame Sabrina. I'm from Sagobal Salam Laikai, currently pursuing my BSc first semester at DM College of Science. I love listening to music because music is a way to express our feelings and emotions. I'm a kind of person who always keeps this bright smile on my face because smile is the best thing you can give to someone. Let's smile together to change the world, not the world to change your smile. Thank you so much.
Contestant number 9, Lumgai Liu Panmai.
Be strong and of good courage, for the Lord your God is with you. Yes, God is with us. Good evening, everyone. I am Lumgai Liu Panmai, contestant number 9 from a beautiful place, Tamenglong. I belong to Rongmei tribe. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Education in Trinity Teachers Training College, Kwerengai. I love to read, decorate, and interact with people. Manipur is divinely blessed with beauty and diversity, and our culture is so diverse to educate and acknowledge our beholders. I want to remind a quote by Mother Teresa, which says, "If we have no peace, it is because we have forgotten that we belong to each other." Yes, we belong to each other. My message for everyone is, let us not be selfish, but live with a purpose. And it is our responsibility to create and maintain peace in Manipur. Thank you so much.
Let's hear it for Ipei Wanglei Pame, contestant number 10.
very good evening to our lovely judges and a warm welcome to ladies and gentlemen present here. The future belongs to those who dreams in their passion and works on it. That is the reason I am here tonight. I am Ipei Wanglepame, your contestant number 10. I belongs to Jame community from Tamenglong district. I did my master's degree in sociology from Manipur University and currently pursuing human rights and duties education in Manipur University. I'm a girl who loves to interact with people and also in exploring new things. In future, I aspire to become an influential social worker. In future, I hold 3 values in life, that is passion, perseverance and confidence. Passion in everything I do, perseverance in all aspects of life, and a strong confidence in what I stand for. Wishing you all a very great evening ahead. Thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Ringjoy Levon Lamkang, contestant number 11.
A very good evening to everyone present here. Thanking the Almighty God for this privilege, I'm Ringjoy Levon Lamkang, representing my district, Chando. I'm a student of political science and singing is my greatest passion. Growing up as an unprivileged child, seeing my mother as a victim of harassment. As I grew older, I started to question myself. Why women should live in fear of harassment, violence, and discrimination. So I started to seek out my true purpose and have discovered and felt the need that women should be given respect, tolerance, and compassion regardless of their background, religion, and caste. And I believe Miss Manipur platform gives women to empowerment by removing the barriers that prevents women from realizing their potential. No matter what obstacle and challenges, I'm ready to be a change for the betterment of my homeland, Manipur. Thank you, enjoy the night.
Please welcome Ilangbum Langlin Chanu, contestant number 12.
A very precious good evening to our lovely judges and all present here tonight. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty God for this privilege. It's me, Ilangbum Langlin Chanu, from beautiful and lovely place, Elangkanpokpi, Kuching district. Since childhood, I'm always passionate about singing, dancing, and modeling. I am optimistic, energetic, and always keen to learn new things. Ultimately, the one and only dream in my life is to become a perfect woman as well as a successful artist. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening ahead.
Give it up for Sharina Naurim, contestant number 13.
Good evening to all my respected judges and to all my brothers and sisters who are present here in this beautiful evening. My name is Sharina Naurim Hill from Kawanawam Laikai. I'm 24 years of age and I have completed master degree in physical education and sports science from Tripura University. I love nature, art, sports, spending time with people and making memories, and also sensitizing people about gender equality and analyzing the social issues. I work and pray to be an army officer. And lastly, I'm staying here tonight to show the society and to show the whole world that Miss Manipur is the only purest platform to express our faced hidden qualities among all the fraternities of caste, creed, color, gender, and body shape. And if you don't give up on something you truly believe in, then you will find a way. And I truly believe that I will find my way here tonight in this Miss Manipur 2019. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all will enjoy this evening.
Contestant number 14, Jessica Nay Hoi Jing Chong Loi.
Beauty starts at that moment when you decide to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to you all my adorable judges. I'm your contestant number 14, Nay Hoi Jing Chong Loi, from a beautiful village, Jangnoi Wangkho, Kangpopi district. I'm a student of Bachelor of Business Administration and currently pursuing third semester at Temple of Learning Degree College, Kanchipur, Imphal. I'm a person who always loves to stay strong and beautiful. Confident and straightforward is what describes me the most. And lastly, if you want to achieve something, you should have the courage to pursue them. And God help those who help themselves. Thank you.
Contestant is Mayang Langbom Amravati Devi, contestant number 15.
battle. It doesn't matter how many battles you have won or lost. What matters is that you fought, learned, and survived. A very good evening to one and all present out here. This is Ambravati Mayanglambam from Kaksin Kuno. I'm 21 years old, currently pursuing my graduation at Jiang College of Science in Physics Honors. Ever since I was a child, I have been aspiring to become a resilient and dignified woman who can stand as a coach in promoting the child and youth through educational and psychological discipline. Lastly, but not the least, I would like to say that kindness is a universal language. So let's spread kindness and happiness and make someone's day special and a brighter one. Thank you, everyone.
Dolina Tokchom, contestant number 16.
Hello everyone, conveying my warm evening wishes to you all. I am Dolina Tokchom from Lamboy Khung Nangkong. I'm completing my graduation from DM College of Science, and right now I am in my BSc 6th semester. I love traveling and dancing, which I personally feel it helps me a lot to keep my spirit high. And my dream is to become a role model for the future generation, as I believe that a little inspiration and motivation can bring a change in one's life. And I would like to raise my voice on the note that there is no magic in life. There are no excuses. There is always time for those who make out time to work hard. So let's all start believing in oneself to create that magic through hard work. Thank you so much and enjoy the evening.
Yes, everyone, that was 16 of the gorgeous ladies looking their absolute best in their traditional wear.
Round Nadubu, design to Wikiba, Wang KP Mantri, Nexin Birakani, since the Langzeri Singi Maiki Degi, Kudolpot, Kuchin Nadina, Kai Kunazaba, the women can go check in. Wang KP Mantri, please welcome on the stage.